Hi, and welcome to this episode of Backyard Adventures TV Drone Genesis. On this episode, we are going to go on a short drone flight. So I'm just going to take you on a little tour of my part of the world. So we should be recording now. The screen is recording. We're going to start recording from the camera. And we're going to take off. We'll do a manual takeoff.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay, we're going to go forward. And we're going to stay, because of our airspace, we're going to make sure we stay at a safe distance. We're going to climb a bit. So we're at 15 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, 40 feet, 50. Let's go to 60 and stop. Okay, so now we're going to pan off to the right. And you will see Interstate 8. So that we are pointing toward the west, so that is going westbound. And as we pan off to the right some more, you will see the city of Lakeside, and now you see the eastbound lanes and the westbound lanes, which pointed more toward the east. Take a look at that. That looks gorgeous. Let's do a 2x zoom, and you can see a better view of the mountains out in the distance. We're going to go back to, that's 4x. We're going to go back to 1x zoom. We're going to go up maybe about 10 more feet to 70 feet and stop. 71, 70, and we're going to go forward. We're safely above the trees, and again, that's Interstate 8. Beautiful Saturday afternoon, and it's important to always make sure that you're flying safely in the airspace that you're flying in, and that you have proper clearance to fly in the airspace that you're flying, because you always want to be safe. Now look at the flowers down below. Let's stop there for a minute. We're going to tilt the camera down and hit the 2x zoom. Oh, beautiful flowers. 4x. We're going to tilt the camera down some more so we can see those flowers. Beautiful spring flowers here. So let's go back to 1x zoom. And we're going to tilt the camera back up. And you see Walmart's parking lot. And as I pan more toward the right, you will see Walmart. So there is Walmart. So let's fly a little bit off straight ahead toward Walmart. Again, we're safely above the trees. 71 feet. And there is Walmart. Busy day at Walmart, as always. We're going to pan off to the left, we're going to pan to the right. And there are some more stores and shops there. There is a bus. And we're going to pan back toward the left, toward Walmart. It's a busy parking lot, and we're gonna go backwards. Our battery level is at 21%, so I'm gonna make this a shorter flight than I had planned, but that's fine. And that's the warning telling us that the battery is low. So let's bring her back. So we're gonna turn her around We're going back to the left again. We're gonna bring it a little quicker. Little quicker. And there we go. Okay, so let's go forward. And there's the highway again, Interstate 8, and that's the west, pointing toward the west. We're turning around. We're at 17%. Let's go a little forward. Alright, now we're going to bring her to the left. Turn her around. And go back toward the right. And bring it in for a landing. Yes, we want to land.
Landing.
So the drone is now descending. I'm going to move it over to the right, then back. And I'm going to go ahead and land it myself.
Landing.
Manual landing. And there we go. All right. So that was just a little tour of my part of the world here in Southern California. So that's it for this episode of Backyard Adventures TV Drone Genesis. So if you like the content on this channel, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.